When trading on platforms like Quotex, the choice of the best indicator depends on your trading strategy, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Here are some of the most commonly used indicators that can help traders make more informed decisions. This video we learn for powerful indicator. Moving averages SMA and EMR. Purpose: to identify the trend direction and potential reversals. How it works: moving averages smooth out price data over a specified time period. The simple moving average SMA and exponential moving average, with EMA being more sensitive to recent price movements. Best for identifying long-term trends or short-term price movements. T signals potential buy or sell opportunities. Next one, Bollinger Bands. Purpose: to measure volatility and potential. Overbought or oversold conditions. Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band SMA and two outer bands. Standard deviations away from the middle band. When the price moves outside of the bands, it can signal overbought or oversold conditions. Best for spotting volatility expansions, overbought, oversold conditions, and potential breakouts or reversals. Next one, MACD, moving average convergence divergence. Purpose: to identify changes in the strength, direction, momentum, and duration of a trend. How it works: the MICD is the difference between the 12-period and 26-period EM8s. Crossovers between the MACD and the signal line are key indicators. Best for identifying trend changes and momentum shifts. Next one, how it works. RSI oscillates between 0 and 100 and typically uses levels like 70 overbought and 30 oversold. When RSI moves above 70, the asset may be overbought, and when below 30, it may be oversold. Best for identifying potential reversal points when prices are overbought or oversold.